Shenzhen Spring Circuits Company Limited, established in 2007 and moved to the south Shenzhen in 2010, is a new high-tech enterprise focusing on supplying cost-efficient sample plate and manufacturing service of small and medium circuit board for customers. From the inception at the start to the flourish today, with the production based from Beijing to Shenzhen and the market from the North China to all the country and all over the world, and the people of Spring Circuits have gone through more than 10 years step by step. During this time, we always adhere to be oriented by market and constantly explore the trend of market development. Take the customer's demands as the center, improve the quality control system according to the more and more personalized requirements from customers. Follow the trend of the development of electronic technology tightly. Continue to increase the investment in research and development. Get rid of the stale and bring forth the fresh in the production process and work digitally. Today, we have more than 3,000 customers in the world, supply more than 200 customized products to high-end enterprises worldwide, and provide 300 employment positions to the society. Our products are widely used in the field of clean energy, industrial control, electric power, military industry, medicine, automotive, security, computer, and so on. Layers of product: 1 to 30, mean space between lines, 3 per 3 mil, 0.1.5 mm, max Cooper thickness, 12 ounce. The main products includes high-precision multi-layer circuit board, HDI, high-frequency board, high-grade laminate, metal substrate, rigid flex, etc. The special processing of heavy Cooper, the resin filling, bearing and blind veer, step slot, and counter bore are the characteristics of us. We can customize research and develop new technology according to the personalized needs of customers' products to meet their special technology and quality requirements. After years of effort and precipitation, Shenzhen Spring Circuits established a unique platform of express, sample, small and medium circuit board manufacturing service, which can provide reliable one-stop fast PCB professional technology service for partners worldwide to create values continuously for customers. We have got a number of invention patents and a certificate of ISO 9001 quality management system, a weaponry quality management system, IATF 16949 quality management system, clean production audit, and the honor of new and high-tech enterprises certification. National high-tech enterprise, e-commerce integrity enterprise, suppliers of Chinese aerospace outstanding contribution, enterprise with harmonious labor relationship, and so on. Spring People's mission is fast delivery, continues to improve the high-cost performance of product and service. Through the improvement of management, we increase the investment in advanced facilities and equipment and research of new technology, improve the production efficiency, strengthen the flexible manufacturing system, shorten delivery time, reduce the cost, make an effort to the development of electronic technology, promote the popularization of clean energy in various fields, promote the artificial intelligence to benefit human life early, and contribute to the development of modern science and technology.
以市场为导向，以客户需求为中心，制造精品，为客户提供满意的产品和服务。
Since the establishment, Shenzhen Spring Circuits always pursue the conception of green development, repair society, and contribute to our country. We attach importance to pay attention to environmental protection during development, and strive to continuously improve the qualified rate, reduce the waste, improve the efficiency, and save resources. Responding to the core of country, we actively participate in the research and development of dual-use technology and manufacturing of military products. We have long-term cooperation relationship with many military research and production units, such as Electronic Research Group, Aerospace Science and Industry, a Weapons Institute, and gather information from governments at different level for our achievements in the military. In the future, aiming at a sustainable development and win-win policy, with the international high-end view, Shenzhen Series Circuit will continue to explore and move ahead in the path of fast delivery, excellent quality, lean production, and professional service. We will take improvement of cost performance of products and services as our spirit of enterprise, protect the environment, repair the society, and pay more attention to contribute in the development of national military industry. We look forward to your participation to make effort to the rapid development of electronic technology.